Hi everybody, wanted to tell you about an event that we are doing tomorrow, Saturday, December 2nd from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. at Flaming Saddles in West Hollywood. It is a canned food drive, give what you can, get it? But you can donate non-perishable food items and it goes to benefit LGBT seniors throughout the year. It's through the LA LGBT Center. Anything that you donate it goes right directly into the LGBT Center's pantry and it benefits the seniors throughout the year. So it's a very important event. Oftentimes LGBT seniors are an overlooked demographic. But I really do love this event. I really hope you can join me. I really hope you can just give anything that you can tomorrow, Saturday, December 2nd from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. at Flaming Saddles in West Hollywood. And if you come and you donate, we give you a free drink, either vodka drink or mimosa through Flaming Saddles. So again, please join me tomorrow, Saturday, December 2nd from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. at Flaming Saddles in West Hollywood. Again, it's a canned food drive, but also non-perishable food items. If you're wondering what items you can donate, you can go to my Instagram. I'll have a list up there. It's at Joe_Lorenzo, and we'll have a list up there the things that are needed for the LGBT seniors. So again, I hope I see you tomorrow, anytime from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. at Flaming Saddles in West Hollywood. Very important event. Give what you can. Got it? And there's also another link to the LGBT Center's website, and you can donate there if you'd like to as well. 'Tis the season for giving, and I hope you can.